Today we're going to check out another tutorial here in Unicorn Studio, and this time we're going to make this glowing text animation. Alright, so let's start with a new project. Let's go to the text, rename, and then let's go to the font. I'm going to go to the search for Della Gothic. Let's select, and I'm going to arrange it. And let's go to the font size to scale this up, and then rearrange it. Go to the line height, and customize that. Go to the color fill, change it to white. Alright, so from here, let's go to the effects. Let's scroll down all the way. And here you can see the circle. Let's select it. And I'm going to select this text layer and bring it on top of the circle. Select the layer with the circle. Let's go and recolor this. Probably going to go with the dark gray. And I'm going to customize it a little bit. Something like this. From here, we're going to need to add an image. So let's go here to the image. And here you can upload your image. And I'm going to go and select this one. By the way, I'm also going to leave a link in the description with all these textures so you can download them and test it. Let's go to the settings. Here we got the fit to artboard. Activate that. I'm also going to activate the displays and then activate the background. Now we got a really cool displacement. And also we're going to activate the dispersion and then customize the amount. Probably going to go with 20. And then after that, we're going to go here to the image. Let's go to the three dots and let's go to add effect. And we're going to search for normal map. Let's select it. And we're going to go to the settings here. Here you can customize the normal map effect. Let's tweak the level. From here, we're going to go to the image again. Let's select the layer with the image. We're going to go to the three dots, add another effect on the image. And this time we're going to search for noise. Let's go and select the noise. And of course, the noise should be under the normal map. So I'm going to drag it under the normal map. I'm also going to activate the play button at the noise. So it's going to start animating it live. And here you can go to the settings and experiment with these, with different noises. And then you get like more options like the scale, amplitude, or skew. Probably going to leave it as it is. So next we're going to go and select the text layer. We're also going to go here to the blend mode. Let's go and change it to subtract. And then I'm going to select the layer with the text. Let's go to the three dots and then select duplicate. Bring this layer on top of each single layer. Select it. And I'm going to go here to the letter spacing and customize it a little bit. So it's going to make the stroke a little bit thicker if I decrease that. Now, but at least we're going to go here to the effects, search for bloom, select the bloom. Oh yeah, and bring the bloom on top of each layer. Select the bloom layer. And here you can customize the radius, increase, decrease, and customize the intensity as well. And pretty much that's how you make it. Thanks for watching.